Advanced collage designs feel professional when variation is controlled and intentional. Today, how to create advanced collage frames. Open Canva and start with a blank square canvas. Insert a mix of frames in different sizes and arrange them in a slightly asymmetrical composition. Upload your images and drag them into each frame, adjusting individually for balance. Select the background and apply a subtle gradient or muted tone. Slightly overlap 1 or 2 frames to create depth while maintaining control. Add thin line elements between frames to guide the eye, lowering their opacity. Use position tools to align everything carefully. Add minimal text using a modern font. This advanced collage approach creates a visually rich and professional design.